Now I want to show you how to create the folder. Like for the light version, you can just here you can choose if C or custom. You can choose custom. You can click on browse, select your folder. For example, in this case, I select this folder. Can select the folder. Project name, you can use the name like JDA, for example. You can create, for example, for 3ds Max. You can say the version is just type the version, for example, 0041 without the V before the number. You can say, for example, layout, task as all. Okay. Separator, you can create only the still frame without use the sequence and the shot. For example, we can try now with this, and you can see here in the history path when I choose that is created the path you have here, the path last path you used. Okay, you can do it, and this is open also 3ds Max, in this case 3ds Max 2024. And yes, 3ds Max is very fast to open. Waiting. And now when it's finished to open, you can see it's saved with the name of the shot of the version. In this case, it's the version is the still frame mod. So it's create essentially that with also this kind of folder for Alembic, flipbook, footage, reference, render, scene, texture, and USD. If you want that, it's if you want more or custom folder, you can just go here and click here, check for example custom folder. You can assign the name for custom folder, but it's more interesting. You can also, in this case, for example, you can change for FX, and when or you can we can try essentially layout version 2. Maybe the version 2 or the another version. We can try with another task FX and say version 2. We can disable sequence is 010 is shot number 100, and you can use, for example, here your custom template. For example, I created the template here in my cache disk in F. You can see the template particles, but you can call also only particles, or you can call with another name. The name is not more important, because if I open, you can see I have this kind of essentially I have the p-flow with some particles which go around, nothing of very complex, but you can work also on the timeline if you want. You can change everything so you want without any problem, and you can save. When, remember, this is my template, I close. Okay, I go here and check, for example, use custom template, browse, and can I call, for example, this template. You can see this is the problem with the interface. It's called this, and you can find here the history of your template you used. Okay, and you can click on do it, and you can see essentially it's create the files with your template for started with the same name. You can have here and here the file here, and the FX, side FX, JDA, 3ds Max here. For this is for still frame, this is for the task with the sequence, and that it's how it works with 3ds Max.